Factories across the globe are using AI to improve their efficiency and reduce costs. One way they're doing this is by monitoring the breakdowns of their equipment so they can predict when it's going to fail, and schedule repairs accordingly. This means factories can save time and money on costly repairs that are often unavoidable. Augury, a New York-based startup, has developed an audio-based system that can detect when machines are having problems. The company outfits factory machines with wireless sensors that transmit data to its cloud-based platform. When the system identifies an issue, it sends a real-time update to the plant's maintenance team. The system is designed to recognize sounds made by various gears operating at various levels of distress from brand new to nearly broken. It can even pick up when your machine is just starting to break down and still working well enough to keep going for a little while, before you have to shut down production for repairs or replacement parts. Over 100 U.S. companies use Augury's service, including Frito-Lay, which installed the sensors at 4 plants, adding 4,000 hours of manufacturing capacity in the past year. The sensors are small and unobtrusive, about the size of a deck of cards, and they can be installed anywhere there is a need for more information. They are able to measure everything from temperature to humidity and pressure to vibration, giving manufacturers a better idea of how their machines are operating and identifying potential problems before they arise. Machines can do a lot of things, but they can't always tell you what's wrong when things go wrong. That's where Senseye comes in. Senseye is a company based in the Netherlands that was acquired by Siemens AG earlier this year. The company uses data that machines collect, including pressure, vibration, and torque measurements, to identify looming issues before they become major problems. Alcoa is one of Senseye's customers. The aluminum manufacturer has been using the tech for about 4 years to reduce unplanned downtime by 20%. The world of predictive maintenance is growing fast. Sales of predictive maintenance services are expected to reach $18.6 billion by 2027, according to research firm Research and Markets. That's a compound annual growth rate of 24.5% from 2020, when the global total stood at around $4 billion. The world is still reeling from the effects of COVID-19. The pandemic has left many companies in a precarious position, with supply chains disrupted and production lines shut down. But as they struggle to get back on their feet, companies are looking for ways to optimize their operations and reduce costs. And one of the most promising solutions comes in the form of artificial intelligence, AI. AI can help industrial companies predict when a machine is likely to fail so they can avoid costly outages and enable them to stock up on replacement parts ahead of time. This makes it possible for them to keep their factories running smoothly even as they work through these uncertain times.